Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are third year computer engineering students from Division A of Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under the project-based learning, we, Nikita Jangit, Vaibhavi Dumal, Srishti Gavle and Tuja Khare have completed a project on library management system under the guidance of Professor Praveen Patel. The main object of our project is developing a computerized system to maintain all the daily activities of the library. A library management system is a software built to handle the primary housekeeping functions of a library. Libraries rely on such systems to manage asset collections. Management systems help libraries keep track of the books and their checkouts. The platforms, languages, and libraries used are Visual Studio Code, MySQL Workbench 8.0, MySQL Connector, MySQL Server, Python language, Kinter, and Pillow. The problem occurred before having a computerized system included file damages, space consumption, and the difficulty to search for the records. So the features of this system, this is a system which helps the librarian to manage the day-to-day library activities efficiently. It reduces the risk of paperwork such as loss due to file handling and damage issues. It is time-saving and helps the user to manage the transactions and record them more efficiently. The applications are this system will reduce all the manual work and whole process can be managed just through single clicks and edits. Any book seeker can rent a book just by signing in with the details and return it. The staff can also facilitate themselves with some extra authorizations and privilege. Only one person is required to take care of the whole system without any chances of mistake. The project architecture is here the connection is established using MySQL connectivity file. The book is added through add book file. Books can be viewed using view books. Books can be deleted using delete book. Books can be issued using issuebook.py and returned using returnbook.py. Here is the GUI at the beginning of the project. So we have add books. Here you have to add the book ID, title, author and the status that whether the book is available or issued. Next, you can delete a book by using the book ID. You can view them using the view books tab. You can return them just by entering the book ID. And if you want to issue a book, you have to mention the book ID as well as the ID of the person whom you are issuing it to. Let's have a look at this execution. So this is the GUI. Here the main file is running and let's look at addbooks.py. So I will give the book ID and the title as let's submit this. So here it shows that the book is added successfully. Now you can view this using the view books. As you can see on the 6th number we have Harry Potter J.K. Rowling's and its status was available. Now if you want to delete a certain book, for example book number 5, it shows book deleted successfully. You can also check that using view books. The book number 5 here, which was present, was deleted now. To issue a book, you have to give the book number, that is book ID, and issue it to, for example, roll number 456. And it shows the book is already issued. As you can check, book number 3 is already issued. Let's try for book number 2. Book ID 2 and issue to roll number 223. Here it shows book issued successfully. And here's the change. Book ID now has the set status issued. You can return a book like we just now issued book number 2. You can return it just by using the return ID. You can check it. Now it is again with the status available. And to delete a certain book, you have to give the book ID and submit. So it shows book record deleted successfully. As you can see, book number 6 is also deleted. The future scope of this project is that many more features such as online lectures, video tutorials can be added by the teachers. Also, the assignment submissions can be done more conveniently. In the conclusion, I would like to say that this will make the entire process online, where one can search for the book, issue it, return to the library very conveniently. I would like to thank Zeal Institute for providing the guidance for successful completion of this activity.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.